All right, I'm going to make some chicken now, chicken sauce, creamy sauce with a lot of chili as well. I'm just going to wash it and chop it up dice it up. Yeah, dice sizes. Let's do that now. You could save money by buying chicken thighs with skin on and taking the skin out as well as the bone yourself. I think I got this one for maybe about 5.90 something. Whereas the one with skin on is well cheap. You could also make the recipe with the skin. I'm only sticking to this one for now because I am trying to lose fat. So I'm trying to reduce my fat, increase my protein, and also I'm adding some carbs to my diet now, which you obviously will see in a minute. Spice it up according to your taste. Let me start with some salt because for some reason I always tend to forget to add salt. Salt to taste. I'm using paprika, some garlic, and some onion. I'm also going to spray it with some oil and let's add it to the air fryer. That's it. I'm taking this to the air fryer now. Air fried according to the settings of your air fryer. I just got this new air fryer and I'm still trying to get the hang of it. So I can't really advise you on the time. But I'm going to leave this in for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so for the sauce, I'm going to be using 1 whole onion, 1 bell pepper, 2 medium-sized tomato, and I definitely will be using some chili pepper. It is optional, but I love my chili, so I'm going to add some chili pepper to this. Blend this up. Let's make our sauce now. So for this, I'll be using some avocado oil. I'm using 7.5, which seems to be my favorite number now. I'm using this one. When it's finished, that's about maybe 50. Saute some onion. Add in my pepper salt. So I'm going to cook this down. Bit of salt. I love this spice. I don't know, this seasoning, I just love it. And that's all I'll be adding. We're quite generous with it. Cover it up, and now it's cook down for a few minutes, so at least the pepper is done. Okay. So, I'm going to add some garlic into this. You can add fresh garlic. I am just using the lazy garlic because I'm too lazy. Can be asked. Chopping garlic up. Add according to what you want to taste. I'm going to now add in some cream cheese. I like this cream cheese. I'm sure you can use cottage cheese, but I like this one. I just love the taste. So I'm going to add the whole, it's 200 grams, I think. Yeah, 200 grams in, because it's all about increasing your protein and making your sauce as rich as possible, as protein rich as you can. Get a good mix. I've reduced the heat because the pepper is cooked and I'm just waiting for the chicken. And this sauce will give you at least 4 servings. I'm going to put everything in there, either the description or on the screen. Taste. So the chicken looks like it's done. I'm going to add it into the sauce and leave it for a few minutes to cook up. Of course, you're going to add in your chicken broth. Give it a good mix, cover it up, and let it boil for a few minutes. I think I'm going to add a bit of cheese to it too. So this is my creamy chili chicken sauce. I'm not just eating carbs. I have made this as protein rich as possible. Yep, allow this to simmer up for a few minutes. I'm going to add in 50 grams of this just to give it more taste and more protein, of course. To finish this up, look at that. I'm just going to add some cheese and that's it. All done. And that's your creamy chicken sauce. And like I said, this will give you 4. I have made this dish before and it's about 260 per portion, grams, when you weigh out. But you must weigh your one because it might not be the same depending on the amount of water you may have used.